Hey there crazy couponers, it's me Eric and welcome back to my channel. So first off, I want to tell you guys Happy New Year's. We're finally in 2018 and this is the first video of the brand new year and more videos to come. I know I lagged it for the last month or so. I've had some personal issues that have come up. I've just been really busy after Thanksgiving and leading up into the holidays, so I didn't have a chance to actually post any videos. But if you've actually looked back into my previous videos, I posted a video of me organizing my my stockpile and then also putting out what other stores you guys want to see, and I've actually received quite a bit of comments and feedback from you guys, so thank you guys so much for that. But other than that, you know what, it's time to move on. I'm bringing you guys my first CVS of in-store video for 2018 for the deals that are happening for 12/37/2017, and the deals run all the way through the 6th of January. So awesome deals and some couple freebies here this week. So I'm going to take you guys around the store and I'm going to show you guys exactly what's going on. If you guys want to learn how to coupon, then come along with me.
Every day that's you and me, all day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing, see I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on.
So the first thing I want to mention is on the clearance stuff here, the holiday clearances. My store has marked down at 50%, but yours could be at 75 or 90%. So definitely it's not a bad idea to check out what clearances your store might be carrying, and I'll show you guys some more of the clearance items. And here's some more items that are on the Christmas clearance sales for 50% off. Well, my store has them, but let's go at some more of the stuff here. 50% off on the Christmas bags, the lights. You have the gift boxes, 50% off. Then you also have wrapping paper, 50% off. You got the ribbons and the little bags, tissue paper. And then the gift bags as well. So definitely check them out. Check out your stores. You guys might have them cheaper than this, but right now mine's at 50%. So we'll see if they'll go any lower, and I'll definitely come back. Some of the gift sets here, like the perfumes and stuff like that, are 50% off as well. So definitely look into that as well. Or they could be actually more cheaper at your store if it's like 75 or 90. But right now mine's 50. So definitely worth checking. Okay, so the first set of deals that we've got going on is on the spend 30 get 10 on these select P&G products. So I'm going to take you guys around the store and I'm going to show you guys exactly what's included in these deals. Okay, so we have select Bounce Downy sheets. We have some of the Downy liquid here, and then if we check over here, there were some of the Unstoppables, but with the Tide, which is a new product. They also have the Tide with Oxy here as well, but there isn't anymore. However, I'm going to show you guys something really fast. Okay, so what's included is in the Bounce, the dryer sheets, and the Downy liquid. So what you want to essentially do is use this $5 off 3 manufacturer coupon, which includes the Downy liquid enhancers or liquid fabric enhancers of 40 loads or higher, Bounce or Downy sheets, which are 60 count or higher, in-wash scent boosters, which are the Unstoppables, the Fresh Protect, the Infusions, Bounce Burst Drift Blissfuls, or the Gain Fireworks, and they have to be 66.4 ounces or higher. And the coupon does state it must you must purchase at least 1 Downy and 1 Bounce. So you can mix and match between buying like 2 Bounce and 1 Downy sheet, or the liquid, or you can do 2 liquid or 1 sheet, or 1 Bounce, depending on what you're needing, but it must include a Bounce and a Downy sheet. So use this coupon, and it's also part of the promotion. When you spend 30, you get $10 in extra bucks, and the limit for that is 1. So you will buy any 6, which are at $4.94. You'll bring your total to $29 and I believe like 64 cents, somewhere around there. And CVS has the 98% rule, which is when you're within 98% of the threshold of $30, the ECBs will still print. So mix and match towards your liking, and it's a really awesome deal because it comes out to be $1.60 per item after receiving extra bucks and using 2 of these manufacturer coupons. So definitely stack up. Okay, so we also have Gain Flings, and Tide Pods also available for the spend 30 get 10. There aren't any coupons for the Gain Flings, but we do have some coupons for the Tide Pods. So those can be found in the P&G for this month, the January P&G for $2 off, and then also on pngeveryday.com there's also $2 off one manufacturer coupons that can be used on this as well. So definitely mix and match with the Tide or with the Downy. And I'll show you guys another coupon that I actually have that I've used as well on the Gain. So let me show you guys exactly. So for the Gain Pods, I was also using this $2 off one manufacturer coupon, which was actually mailed to me, and I thank Night Couponer on Instagram that sent me these coupons as well. And if you also need any coupons, hit her up on Instagram. And so this is what I used on with the Gain Flings. So I used 2 of these, and then I used 2 of the Tide Pods, and then I bought some of the liquids. So you can mix and match however you want to do with the deal. So definitely stock up. Okay, so my store doesn't have them right now at the moment because they're out of stock. But another deal that you can do is on the Purex liquid with like the Oxy, or you can do the Mountain Breeze, and I think that's the only 2 that are included. So I'm going to show you guys, this is actually a Moneymaker this week. I've already did the deal during early activation, but I'm going to show you guys. They're on sale for $2.99, and they're part of a promotion. When you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck. The limit for that is 1. So pretty easy, straightforward. You pick one up, and you just pay the $2.99 and you get $2 back, and that's like 99 cents. But if you have that internet printable for $1.50 off one, which is no longer available on coupons.com, you want to use that, and then you'll pay $1.50 but get back $2 in extra bucks, which will make them absolutely free, plus a 51-cent money maker. So definitely stock up on Purex this week. And you can also mix and match with the Dawn dish soaps. There's a 25 cents off one send a card coupon that you can clip to your card on the CVS app, which will make the 74 cents, but also mix and match with the spend 30 get 10 for an even better deal. So definitely stock up. And Pantene is also included in the spend 30 get 10. In the P&G, we also have $5 off 3 manufacturer coupons that we can use. So it'll drop the price to $7 for 3 of them, but mix and match to your liking. And we've also got $1 off 1 manufacturer coupons for the TAM packs here. So mix and match to your spend 30 get 10 ECBs deal. So definitely stock up. And we've also got the Crest Pro Health and the Crest with Scope mouthwash that are also part of, they're not part of the spend 30 get 10, but they're on sale for $3.99, and part of a promotion. When you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck, and the limit for that is 1. And in the January P&G, we also have these $1 off 1 manufacturer coupons that we can use, which will drop the price down to $2.99, and you'll get the $2 extra buck, which makes them 99 cents. So definitely not a bad deal for the big size bottles. Now I have the 1 liters in my my cart, which look like this, and the Pro Health are also included. So I tried to pick up as many of the Pro Health as I could, and so definitely stock up on these, because 99 cents is not a bad deal at all. So if you've also got like a $2 off 6 mouthwash or $1 off 5, makes it for an even better deal. So stock up. And we've also got select Crest toothpaste that is also on sale this week for $2.99, and they're also part of the promotion. When you spend $30, you get $10 in extra bucks, and the limit for that is 1, like I said. And in the P&G as well, we have these $2 off 1 manufacturer coupons that we can use. So some of these are set at $2.99. Use the $2 coupon, which makes them 99 cents. You could, if you also have a $2 off 2 CRT, you can essentially pick up 2 of these, and they will track for the spend 30 get 10, and it'll be absolutely free. So definitely stock up on these as well. And we've also got Nivea for Men body wash, as well as, let's go over here for just a moment, and the Nivea body wash for women as well. These are priced at $2.99 and pretty straightforward. We've also got some $1.50 off 1 manufacturer coupons that you can use from coupons.com, which will lower the price to $1.49, which is not a bad deal as is by itself. But if you've also got like a $2 off 6 CRT, or if you have a $1 off 1 body wash, or a $1 off 5 body wash, then to make it even cheaper. Use those coupons and they should be pretty cheap. They'll be anywhere between 99 cents per bottle or like $1.24 per bottle, which is still a very, very great price for Nivea body wash. So definitely stock up. So even without the CRT, the $1.50 off one manufacturer coupons is still a really great price at $1.49. So stock up. And we have select Coke products: Pepsi, Diet Coke, Cherry Pepsi, Cola, or Diet Cola, or regular Cola. Or we've got the bottles here, which you can mix and match between spend 30 get 10 with all these other products as well. So and that's also actually part of the like the P&G and all that stuff. So at least I think, if I'm reading this correctly. So definitely mix and match and stock up. We've also got the waters here that are $2.49 for the 24 pack for just the basics purified water. These are priced at $2.49 each, and part of the promotion, spend 15 get 5. So essentially you want to pick up 6 of these, which brings it to a price point of $14.95, but you're gonna pay the $14.95 plus whatever CRV is calculated, or if your state charges CRV, and then you'll get back a $5 extra buck, which makes the final cost $9.94 for 6 packs, or 96 cents for 6 packs of these. And I think that's actually a killer deal for water, so definitely stock up. And we've also got the Bounty paper towels that are also part of the spend 30 get 10, and they're priced at $9.88. And in the P&G we also have $1 off one manufacturer coupons, so you can mix and match to your liking as well for the spend 30 get 10. And I think it still would actually turn out to be not a bad deal at all, so definitely stock up.